Chattels.
How to list your product on Chattels. From the homepage, go to your vendor dashboard. Select Products from the side menu. If you're just creating your first product, you'll see two options. Add a new product and import. This is to add an existing product if you have it saved in a CSV file. To know more about how to use this feature, check out our video on how to import and export products on Chattels. Add title. Keep it short but loaded with keywords. Product type. There are 3 product types on Chattels: simple, variable, and group product. Simple product. A single item with no variations, just one type of product. Variable product. This is what you will select if your products are in different variations like sizes, colors, or models. Group product. 2 or more products related under one listing. Note, before you can create a group product, you must have listed 2 or more products on your store. For improved visibility, always ensure to select the last subcategories of the product. You can also choose more than one category if your product falls under more categories as well. If you are not sure of your category, pick the closest match. It helps the right people see your product faster. You can also add or edit categories using the icons next to the category name. Enter the price of your product. Just above the input field, you'll notice a different price displayed. This represents your actual earnings after Chattels commission has been deducted. If you're offering a discount or promotional price, you can input that amount in the discount price. Select the files to upload product images. It's required that all product images are sharp, clear, and professionally presented, showing the item from multiple angles, including the front, back, and both sides. Please note, products with images that do not meet our quality standards will be set to draft status. Upload a clear video that captures the product from multiple angles and provides a good view of its condition, not more than 50 MB. Use the short description to type in a quick summary of your product. Give more details here, such as what it does, its condition, size, special features, and so on. Make use of the TinyMC text editor at the top to format and customize your text. Select tags that are closely related to the product you're listing. If a suitable tag isn't available, you can type in your own. This part is specifically for people who have bulk products in their store, and you want to keep track of them. Stock Keeping Unit gives a unique code to identify your product. For best practice, you can use your initials. For instance, if you are listing a Samsung mobile phone, you can use SM001, SM002. This is to select the status of your product. In stock means you still have some of the product available to sell. Out of stock means no more of this product will be sold. Backorder means the product is currently out of stock, but you're still allowing customers to place an order now, knowing you'll ship it later once it's restocked. Selecting stock management. Stock quantity. This is to select the quantity of the product. Low stock threshold. This is where you set when you want to be notified about low stock. Allow back orders. Here you can select if you want to allow the product to be purchased even if you are out of stock. Do not allow means you don't want the product to be purchased once it's finished. Allow but notify customer means the customer will be notified that the product is out of stock, but it will be purchased, and they will receive their goods after you have restocked. Allow. This means you do not want customers to know that the product is out of stock. You can also limit how many of this product a buyer can purchase per order. Product location. This is where your product would be picked up. In most cases, this is usually your store location. Geolocation. This should always be the same as the location of your store, unless the location of your product is different from your store location. Tax status. For accurate tax calculations, always leave the tax settings as they are. Ensure the tax status is set to taxable and the tax class remains standard. This allows the system to correctly apply the appropriate tax rates to your product. Shipping class. To check what shipping class fits the product you are listing, click here. A pop-up will appear where you can see the shipping class of your product. You can also use the search bar to look for your specific product. This area can only be available to you once you have listed the product to manage your SEO. We have added a way for you to be able to fully optimize the visibility of your product in the Google search engine. This section is only relevant if you've already created other products. It allows you to link related items, upsells. This is where you can recommend a better or more premium version of the product you're listing. Cross-sells. This is where you can suggest related products that go well with the item you're listing. In an instant, when you are creating a group product, you will be able to search other products you have listed that you can group with the current product you are listing. Add attributes to your product to provide additional details, such as color, size, brand, or condition. A simple product can only have one value for each attribute. In instances when selecting material, select the accurate value of the material of your product. Mine will be plastic. You can add a custom attribute on your own. For instance, for this video, I will type capacity 1.5 liters. When selecting attributes for a variable product, select all values of the product available in your store. In an instant, when selecting color, the product will have different colors. Select the colors available. Under each attribute, you can choose to use that attribute as a new variant of the product. Selecting the material attribute of this variable product means you will have to choose the available options for your product. Adding a custom attribute to a variable product means you will have to add several value options available as well. For instance, 1.5 liters, 3 liters, 5 liters. Click on Add New to add new options that are not available on the website. To remove the whole attribute you have created for your product, click on Remove. You can select any other attributes that go with the product you are listing. When selecting variable product as types, you can add other attributes to best describe your products. Product status. If you have created a product but you don't want it to be visible to customers yet, click on this drop-down to select Draft. But if you want it to be visible immediately, leave it online. Visible. This means that the product is visible everywhere. Catalog. This means that the product appears on shop pages and category listings, but stays hidden in the store's search results. Search. The product appears in the store's search results, but is hidden from catalog pages. Hidden. This means that the product is completely hidden from both store pages and search results. It's only accessible via a direct link. Advertise the product. We've introduced a feature that allows sellers to boost their product visibility through sponsored ads on our platform. With just a small fee of 5,000 Naira, your product will appear on top of other products, giving it priority placement and more exposure to potential buyers, helping you stand out ahead of other listings. The product must have been listed with its status online before you can run an advert for such a product.